In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter discount code in Haven. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the promo box, how to apply your code correctly, and how to make sure the discount appears before you pay. First, open your web browser and head to the official Haven website. From the homepage, start by choosing your holiday. Select the park you want to visit, pick your dates, and choose your accommodation type. Take a moment to check details like how many guests you're bringing, whether you need accessible or dog-friendly options, and any minimum stay rules. Getting these choices right now helps avoid hiccups later, and some codes only work for specific parks, dates, or accommodation types. When you're happy with your selection, click Book Now. You'll be prompted to add booking information, including guest details. Enter the number of adults and children, and complete the lead guest information carefully. Make sure names and spellings are accurate, since these appear on your booking and can be important at check-in. Next, go to Checkout. Review your booking summary closely. Confirm the park, dates, accommodation, any extras you've added, and the total price before any discount. This is the best time to spot anything that doesn't look right. When everything checks out, click Continue or Checkout to move forward. Now find the promo box. Look for a field labeled promo code, discount code, or voucher code. On some pages, it may be collapsed behind a small link like Have a promo code or Add voucher, so scan the page carefully. If you don't see it immediately, proceed through the checkout steps. Haven typically shows it before the final payment screen. Enter your code exactly as it was given to you. Many codes are case sensitive, so match uppercase and lowercase letters, include any hyphens if they're part of the code, and avoid extra spaces, especially if you're copying and pasting. If your code has terms such as date restrictions or park exclusions, make sure your booking meets them. Click Apply and wait a moment for the page to refresh. Look for a confirmation message and a visible reduction in the total price. You should also see the code listed in your summary. If you get an error, double-check each character. Zeros and the letter O can be easy to mix up. And confirm your selection meets the code's conditions, then try again. Once the discount is showing and the new total looks correct, continue to payment and complete your booking. That's it. Your Haven discount is applied and you're ready to go.